You've been driving your BMW for years. You think you know everything about it? But what if your car has been hiding tricks from you the whole time? Features engineers quietly built in that most owners never find? Today we're unlocking 10 of these best features. Some are genuinely useful. Some are just insane. And one of them is going to make you feel like you've been driving a stranger's car. Stick around. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. This is exactly the kind of content we do. Number 1. One-sided lighting for roadside emergencies. Stay with me here because this one could actually save you one day. If you're ever stuck on the side of the road, flat tire, dead battery, waiting for someone, you don't have to blast both headlights and drain the battery. Your BMW can light up just one side of the car. Driver's side or passenger side. Front and rear together. Here's how. Car off, door open. Take the indicator stalk and push it up or down. Not to signal, just a single click in either direction. The angel eyes on that side light up, and so do the rear lights on the same side. The other half of the car stays dark. It's subtle, visible to passing traffic, and uses a fraction of the power of having everything on. Most BMW owners never know this exists until they need it and don't have it. Number 2. The pathway lighting feature. This one is small but incredibly satisfying once you know it. Park your car at night in a dark area. Car park, driveway, street with no lighting. Lock the car normally. Then before you walk away, pull the indicator stalk all the way back toward you. The headlights stay on. Not forever, around 20 to 30 seconds, but long enough to light up the path ahead of you while you walk away. The car is locked. The engine is off. But the lights stay on just long enough to get you where you're going safely and then switch off on their own. Nobody talks about this feature. It's not in any headline spec sheet. It's just quietly there, waiting for the one night you actually need it. Number 3. The secret rev-match trick. If your BMW has an automatic transmission, it has a built-in rev-match system, and almost nobody knows it exists. Here's how it works. You're cruising at highway speed, sitting in 6th gear, and you want more power. Instead of hunting through menus or flicking a paddle, you just tap the throttle lightly. One quick blip. The car reads it, drops down a gear, and automatically matches the revs on the way down. Smooth, fast, and satisfying in a way that feels like the car is actually listening to you. It gets better. If the engine allows it, you can do it twice in a row and drop 2 gears in one motion. Try it in sport automatic mode and the whole thing feels even sharper. Coming up to a tight corner? Tap the throttle before you turn in. The car downshifts, the power is ready, and you carry more speed through the bend than you would have otherwise. It's not a gimmick. It's genuinely useful. And it was there the whole time. Number 4. The hidden diagnostic code in your warning lights. Warning light comes on. Most people panic or ignore it. There's a third option almost nobody knows about. When a warning light appears in your check control, go to it using the stalk as normal, but instead of just reading the message, hold down the BC button. The system generates a code. A specific number tied to that exact fault. Take that code online, search it, and you'll get a detailed breakdown of what's actually wrong. Or call a shop, read them the number, and skip the part where they charge you just to tell you what the light means. It's not a replacement for a proper diagnostic, but it gives you information before you walk into a garage blind. That changes the conversation entirely. Number 5. Tilt the mirror to see the curb when reversing. This one sounds too simple. It isn't. When you put the car into reverse, most drivers just use the rear camera or check mirrors manually. But there's a cleaner way to protect your wheels. Flip the mirror switch on the door to the left, driver's side position, and leave it there. Now put the car in reverse. The passenger side mirror automatically tilts downward, angling toward the curb so you can see exactly how close your wheel is to the edge. No guessing. No scraping. The catch: if the switch is set to the right, passenger side, when you engage reverse, the mirror stays put. It only works when the switch is on the left. One small habit. Zero curb damage. Number 6. The secret menu hidden inside your instrument cluster. This is the one people lose their minds over. Your BMW's instrument cluster has a hidden service menu that most owners never find. Here's how to get in. Turn the ignition on. Press and hold the trip odometer button for around 10 seconds until small numbers appear at the bottom of the display. That's menu 1. It shows the last 7 digits of your VIN, part numbers for the instrument panel, and diagnostic codes most people have never seen. Keep pressing the trip button to cycle through menus all the way to menu 19. It'll show a lock. To get the code, go back to menu 1, add up the last 7 digits of your VIN, and that number is your unlock code. Enter it at menu 19 and the full menu opens up. You can run a gauge test that sends every needle to its limit at once. All the meters, all the lights, everything moving simultaneously. You can check outside temperature, fuel consumption per hour, speed calculations, cruise control data, and even run a sound system test. All sitting inside a menu that came standard on your car and was never mentioned to you once. Number 7. Close your windows from outside the car. You're already halfway down the road when you remember. The windows are open. If your BMW has comfort access, you don't have to go back. Stand outside the car, press the lock button on the key fob once to lock it, then press and hold the same button for a few seconds. The windows come up on their own from outside. All of them. And if you have an E93 convertible, it goes one step further. Hold the unlock button and the hardtop drops down automatically from outside the car. No need to get back in. No need to start the engine. One button. Held for a few seconds. Problem solved before it became one. Number 8. The leaf catcher you didn't know was there. This one isn't a feature exactly. It's more like discovering a hidden compartment. At the base of your windscreen, where leaves, bugs, and debris tend to collect and funnel down under the hood, there's a removable plastic mesh tray sitting right there. Most owners never notice it. Most people just leave it until the buildup causes drain blockages or moisture problems. Pull it out, clean it, put it back. 30 seconds. And you've just done a maintenance step that most BMW owners skip entirely because they didn't know there was anything there to maintain. Number 9. The trunk warning that only works while moving. This one is more of a heads up than a trick, because once you know about it, you'll stop being caught out by it. If you leave the boot open and the car is stationary, nothing happens. No warning. No alert. No indication at all that anything is wrong. The moment you start driving, the warning light appears. By which point you're already moving, already looking for somewhere safe to pull over, already annoyed. There's no fix for this, it's just how it works. But knowing it means you do one extra check before you pull away. 10 seconds of habit beats the inconvenience of stopping a quarter mile down the road every time. Number 10. Locking someone inside the car from outside. Save this one for someone who deserves it. If you get out of the car first and lock it from outside with the key fob while someone is still inside, the doors won't open from the inside. The lock button on the interior panel cycles but won't release. The handle pulls but the door stays shut. Most people in that situation have no idea what to do. The exit. Press the unlock button on the interior panel once, pull the handle, still locked. Press it a second time, pull again, it opens. 10 features. One car. Most owners never find any of them. The rev-match trick, the one-sided lights, the hidden menu, the curb mirror tilt, all of it shipped standard. All of it sitting there quietly waiting for someone to actually look. Your BMW is more capable than you've been using it. Now you know. If this video helped, subscribe, we find more of this stuff all the time. Drop a comment below if you know a trick we missed. There are always more.